If you're building a small block Chevy and want serious performance without breaking the bank, this is the cylinder head you've been waiting on. Introducing the Monster M23 cylinder head. A CNC ported 23-degree small block Chevy cylinder head designed to give you maximum performance, reliability, and true bolt-on convenience. Unlike many aftermarket heads, the M23 keeps factory port and valve locations, meaning no spacers, offset rockers, and no headaches. You get a traditional 23-degree valve angle, angled spark plugs for improved combustion efficiency, premium Manley stainless steel valves, a massive 2080 intake, and a 1600 exhaust. Every set is precisely machined using a 5-axis CNC, porting on the intake ports, exhaust ports, and combustion chambers. The results? Consistent airflow, strong power potential, and professional level accuracy you can trust. The M23 uses a robust casting with a 750 thousandths deck structure, 4-bolt design, OEM-style water crossover ports, and screw-in stub capability, making this cylinder head ideal for street and serious racing builds. Available bare or fully assembled, each complete head is built with premium components, bronze guides, ductile iron seats, and Manley hardware throughout. Now these are offered bare with valves. For the fully assembled option, you need to contact sales@frankensteined.net so our sales team can spec you out the perfect build. If you want the best bang for the buck CNC ported small block Chevy head available, the Monster M23 delivers power, precision, and direct bolt-on simplicity.